A very warm welcome to all. My name is Priya Singh, Research Scholar, Department of Applied Economics, University of Lucknow. Today we will going to discuss about trade barriers. We all know that free trade maximizes world outputs and benefit all nations. However, practically all nations imposes some restrictions on the free flow of international trade. Trade barriers are of two types mainly, tariff barriers and non-tariff barriers. The most important type of trade restriction has historically been the tariff. A tariff is a tax or duty levied on the tradable commodity as it crosses international boundary. टैरिफ एक प्रकार का टैक्स है जो कि गुड्स को इंपोर्ट या एक्सपोर्ट करने पे लगता है. An import tariff is a duty on the imported commodity, while an export tariff is a duty on the exported commodity. Import tariffs are more important than export tariffs क्योंकि एक्सपोर्ट टैरिफ ज़्यादातर कंट्रीज नहीं लगाती हैं. क्यों? हर कंट्री चाहती है कि एक्सपोर्ट हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करें जिससे हम फॉरेन करेंसीज अर्न कर सकें. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ आवर डिस्कशन फर्दर will deal with the import tariffs. Now the question arises, why government imposes tariff? First, to raise revenue, to protect domestic industries, infant industries from foreign competition by raising the prices of the foreign imported goods, and to mitigate trade deficit. Trade deficit क्या होता है? Exports, when exports are less than imports. When imports are greater than export, it arises a situation of deficit. Thus, by imposing a tariff, prices of foreign imported goods rises, जिससे import demand अपने आप कम हो जाती है. Tariffs. Now we will discuss about tariffs and its type. First, specific tariff. It is the fixed amount of money levied on per physical unit, weight, surface, area, number of articles, measurement of the imported goods. यानी कि physical good, उसके वेट या मेजरमेंट पर कोई टैक्स लगाया जाता है तो उसे स्पेसिफिक टैक्स कहते हैं. इसमें गवर्नमेंट एक अमाउंट फिक्स कर देगी, वो टैक्स अमाउंट हमें देना पड़ेगा. इसको हम एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझते हैं. अ स्पेसिफिक टैरिफ ऑफ ₹10 ऑन इम्पोर्टेड बाइसिकल means that custom official collect the fixed amount of ₹10 on each imported bicycle. आपने एक बाइसिकल इंपोर्ट की तो 10 रुपये, इंपोर्ट की तो 20 रुपये, रिगार्डलेस ऑफ इट्स प्राइस. सुटेबल गुड्स. स्पेसिफिक टैरिफ के लिए कौन से गुड्स सुटेबल होते हैं? बेसिकली वीट, फर्टिलाइजर्स, सीमेंट्स, टेक्सटाइल्स एट्सेट्रा. बट व्हाट विल द पॉजिटिव साइड्स ऑफ दिस स्पेसिफिक टैरिफ? इट इज़ ईजी टू एडमिनिस्टर एज वेट, मेजरमेंट्स एक्स्ट्रा. Specific tariffs can't be levied on goods of high value like diamonds, gold, electronics, mobile, artistic works, etc. Now, second type of tariffs are ad valorem tariff, levied as a fixed percentage on the value of the imported commodity, that is on price, levied on those goods which are of high value and less in weight or measurements. It is more equitable as this tariff is levied on the high valued goods which are usually consumed by the rich people. Example, a 10% ad valorem tariff on bicycles would result in the payment to custom officials of the sum of ₹10 on each ₹100 imported bicycle and the sum of ₹20 on each ₹200 imported bicycle. Now compound. Third type of tariff is compound tariff. Compound tariff is a combination of an ad valorem and a specific tariff. Specific duty on each unit of the commodity plus percentage ad valorem duty. Since they combine the effect of both the tariffs, so they are more effective to protect domestic industries and are also revenue lasting. The fourth type of tariff is sliding scale tariff. As the name indicates, these duties varies with the price of the commodities. यानी वो टैरिफ जो गुड्स की वैल्यू के साथ चेंज होती रहती हैं, स्लाइड करती हैं, उसको हम स्लाइडिंग टैरिफ कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, 10 लाख तक की गाड़ी इंपोर्ट करने पर 10,000 टैरिफ, 20 लाख गाड़ी इंपोर्ट करने पे 20,000 टैरिफ. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट सम नॉन टैरिफ बैरियर्स एंड इट्स टाइप्स. फर्स्ट इज कोटा. A quota is the most important non-tariff trade barriers. It is a direct quantitative restrictions on the amount of a commodity allowed to be imported or exported. Means नंबर पे कोई restrictions लगा देना कि आप मैक्सिमम इतना ही import कर सकते हैं या इतना ही export कर सकते हैं, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं. It is administered through license. These license holders are generally permitted to import particular and specified quantities of imported goods which they sell at higher prices in the domestic market. This implies that goods sold in the domestic market are priced higher than its world price. Second is voluntary export restraints. ये restrictions basically सिर्फ export पे लगाया जाता है, import पे नहीं. This refers to the case where an importing country induces another nation to reduce its exports of a commodity voluntarily under the threat of higher all-around trade restriction when these exports threaten an entire domestic industry. Third type of non-tariff trade barriers are health and safety standards. Many times, importing industries insist that imported goods should meet minimum health, safety and environmental standards. In order to meet these standards, the cost of exporting goods rises to these nations that specify the standards. The basic idea of the importing nation is to discourage the imports. Generally, this is followed by the developed countries to restrict imports from the developing nation, like organic crops, Nokia, minimum safety standards, etc. Now, the fourth non-tariff barrier is local content requirement, particularly followed by developing nations. These requires that some stipulated portion of the final goods should be produced domestically. The idea is to promote local content, local production of certain intermediate goods. The effect is much similar to that of imported quotas. Thank you.